Hello, my name is Eddie McDonald and I'm a chef at Donald Russell. I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect turkey crown from defrosted. Now our turkey crowns are specially reared for Donald Russell by the farmers in the Louis region of France. This free-range bronze turkey has a healthy outdoor lifestyle, so you know it's just going to taste delicious. To prepare the turkey crown, I took it from the fridge approximately 30 minutes ago to bring it to room temperature. I've weighed the crown as we need to cook it for approximately 12 to 15 minutes per 450 grams. I've placed it on a wire rack and into an ovenable tray. I'm just going to pat it dry with kitchen paper to remove any excess moisture, as this will help it colour more evenly as it roasts. I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and brush this all over, and then season with sea salt and cracked black pepper, and add a glass of white wine to the tray to help keep it moist while we're cooking. On this occasion, I'm just using a wire rack as a trivet, but you could quite happily use some roughly cut vegetables like onions, carrots, some garlic. You could add in some seasonal favourites like perhaps some half clementines, some other aromats. All I've got to do is place it into the oven for that initial sear. After the initial 15 minutes in that really high heat sear, we're going to turn the oven down to 170 degrees Celsius to finish cooking. For the final temperature test, insert the probe into both breasts, checking the thickest parts. If both points achieve 74 degrees Celsius, you're good to go. Now that it's achieved 74 degrees, I'm going to cover the crown loosely with tin foil and leave it somewhere warm to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. This will allow the juices within the bird to recirculate and make it nice and moist. Whilst your crown is resting, use this time to complete your vegetables and gravy, and also pour yourself a glass of something tasty. To carve your turkey crown, steady it with a fork and using a very sharp, well-balanced carving knife, shave down the side of the breastbone. Use the bone as a guide and free the meat from the bone. Lay that flat so it's nice and steady to carve through. Just cut nice even slices. Once you've carved your breast, just arrange the slices onto your platter. And there you have it, the perfect turkey crown. Merry Christmas everyone! For full step-by-step instructions on how to cook your turkey crown from defrosted, click here. Merry Christmas!